Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and I have some very exciting news to let you guys know about Nio and what's going on with the company. You guys cannot miss out on this. Now, before I go on with the video, I want to update you guys on my channel. I'm actually very close to getting 2,000 subscribers. So as you guys can see, 1.96k, so only 40 more subs and we get to 2,000. Let's go, bro. Like, we got this. It's all thanks to you guys. It's not even me, it's you guys. I thank God as well, but it's you guys for helping me to get here by commenting, liking on my videos. Like, that helps out a ton. You guys have no idea. But okay, let's continue with this video before I go too off topic. Nio is actually at $11. This is where people predicted it to be at the end of today. They were like, yeah, it's gonna be $11. Now I looked at the Webull community and people are posting saying that this company is gonna go down to $9 on Monday. So that's kind of scary. I hope it doesn't, because I already lost $65 today, man. Like, it's crazy. Like 11% loss. But my total return is still $21. Like, if I was to sell right now, I would barely be breaking even. I'm not planning to do so, obviously, but if I were to sell all my shares, which is only 46, I'd be only getting $21 profit overall, which is not what I want. I want to hold on for the long term. This company for me is long term. Like, I don't really care about this drop that took place of about 14-15%. It doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter that Goldman Sachs just downgraded this company. They said that this is a $7 stock, but you know what happens when people and like companies like this, when they downgrade a stock, they usually buy more of it, because they not all the time, obviously, but like here I want to show you guys. This is like the shareholders of Nio. These are like the bigger companies, or people who just have a large stake in Nio. So these are the top 10 owners of Nio Inc. And you guys can see right here that Goldman Sachs just added 738,000 shares, which is a 7% increase overall. So yeah, they only have a 1% stake. They have 10 million shares, but I think they want to own more. I think is that they must really believe in this company if they just added 700k more shares, especially when this got done downgrading it. So that's funny. It's funny that happened today. So this is data as of 4:54 p.m. So this is recent. We're July 17th when this happened, when the downgrade took place, which is about 5 hours from now. But it's funny how they added more shares, man. So that's kind of sketchy. Obviously, people are calling this like market manipulation for downgrading it and then buying more shares. I don't know. I just caught this screenshot as well on the Webull community. I was literally scrolling through the community and what people were posting or predicting about Nio stock, and then saw that screenshot. I was like, wow, I was very intrigued. So I checked it out, and yeah, I mean, what do you know, man? Like, this company had to they had to buy more shares because they really believe in it. I really believe in it long term. So I think that's their goal, is to hold for the long term as well. That's funny, man. That's crazy how that happens, and people are panic selling and everything. That's why when you guys see information like this, the price drops, you guys can seriously like make some good money by buying into it when it's a discounted price, because when it does go up, when there's a rally that takes place, you guys are going to make some decent returns, especially when this vehicle, like I mentioned, is this vehicle right here, the Nio EC6, which is their coupe SUV. This car is coming out. It's about to be released, like it's very soon. I'm looking right here. They're gonna release more spec info about this vehicle in July 2020. So just towards the end of this month, they're gonna release more info about that, prices and everything. Also, they're actually gonna begin delivery in September, so keep that in mind. Yeah, this is definitely, if the car is nice, if people see that this is gonna be a great buy, customers are gonna love this, then the stock is gonna rally. It's gonna reflect those good news. So you also have to understand that very soon after that, on September 22nd, you guys will we will all understand what their Q2 was like, now that they've had a little bit more sales and deliveries and stuff. So we're gonna see some information about their EPS, whether or not they're breaking even. So they're about 15 cents away from breaking even. So once they get to that, like 1 cent, 2 cent EPS positive, they're gonna be breaking even basically. And when people see that, that's gonna still be good news for a company like Nio, because this is an emerging EV company, man. This is also an emerging like market. You guys have to understand that. Like, this is all new. There's still a lot of room for Tesla and this company to grow, especially because this company is right below Tesla right now. So I feel like if Tesla leads in this, in the EV market boom, Nio is gonna follow along, just like Workhorse and Nikola, like all those companies. So yeah, keep that in mind, guys. For June, this is how many cars they actually delivered and basically last quarter. Ended June 2020, which is about 10,000 vehicles. They delivered almost 4,000 alone in June 2020, and if they show any growth for July or even August, you can expect that number to go up to 4,000, and it could go up to even 4 or 5,000. I don't even know, 4.5 to 5K. That would be crazy, obviously. But if that ever happens this year, where the sales are, or deliveries go up to 5K in 1 month, or 6K, which is about double of what it's at right now for June 2020, you guys will see the bull run take place. You guys are gonna see all that, like the rally and all that, to reflect those good news. And overall, they're getting close to that 50,000 mark for cumulative deliveries for the ES8 and ES6, and the EC6. That's going to impact the amount of sales that they're going to get, because if it's a good vehicle, it's going to increase their sales. It's going to give people more options on what they can buy from Nio, especially because Tesla already has the Model S, they have the Model 3, they have X, and then Model Y. So yeah, I mean, they already have their options. They have a good amount of variety right there already. So Nio, what they're trying to do is they're trying to follow along and chase Tesla in that way, and by adding more cars to their collection, so that people can have not just being able to choose from the ES6, but also from the EC6, which are obviously, because the lower number compared to the ES8, obviously it means that it's a cheaper version or more affordable version. But yeah, definitely keep that in mind, guys, when looking at this company. I'm obviously not saying that this is going to go up to $13-14 on Monday. I'm just saying that it's, I can see this being at $10, and that's because a lot of people are actually shorting this like crazy. But there's also a lot of people that use this as a buying opportunity to buy into it. So I can see this price, this company actually being the price being at around $9 to $10. Monday, Tuesday. But if enough people start buying into it at $9 to $10, then you guys could probably see a rally take place by the end of the week of up to $13. That's what people are saying. People are predicting that there might be a rally that takes place, especially if it goes down to $9-8, and that rally might push it up to $12-13 again. So I'm really excited for what's gonna happen with this. I'm gonna buy more shares on Monday. I actually plan on adding up to 15 more if the price is right, and if it goes down to $9 or $10, then I'm definitely gonna buy at least 10 more shares, at the very least, or 15 if I can. It just depends on if I, how much money I have in my bank account, like if I can make that purchase. But yeah, right now I'm just trying to invest into it and trying to add more and more shares every single week. I've been doing that for the past 2 weeks, but I hope to add about 25 shares a month, around there, or 30 shares a month, so I can get close to that 250 share by the end of this year. And obviously, if it goes up there, man, like if it goes up to like $100 per share, and I have 250 shares, that's gonna be insane profit right there. Like if I buy in this early at $10, it's gonna be a lot of profit to be made. So like I said, a lot of room for this to grow and everything. And this is an emerging company, like an emerging market, which is the EV market. It's brand new. Like it's gonna get more traction, more people, more manufacturers are gonna get into this, and it's just gonna become this. It's gonna be this boom basically that takes place. Now my market value is 508. I did go up from 35 shares to 46, as you guys can see. But yeah, I'm just trying to add more, man. I do believe in this in the long term. Right now, I'm not really phased by the 15% loss or negative. Like it doesn't matter to me, because I'm doing this for the long term. Some of you are, not all of you. Some of you guys are day trading or swing trading this just for like 10-20% profits. I want this for like 2 years, 3 years from now. Like I'm trying to see where it's gonna be at that time. It could be like, I don't know, like $50-70 per share at the low end. Who knows? Or it could be 500 or 300, like people are predicting it and giving it that high price target of that. I think it could be up there 5 years from now, you know. So what do you guys think about Nio stock? Do you guys see it going down to $9 or even $7 like Goldman Sachs is saying? Or where's your opinion? Let me know if you guys are planning to buy more right now at $11 or $10, or if you're planning for it to dip more and then buy into it. If you're also holding, what are you planning to do? Are you holding for the long term, or are you selling? Let me know in the comments what you think. And also, thank you guys for all the support. Like I said, we're close to 2,000 subscribers, so 40 more subs to go. If you guys are new here, definitely subscribe. I'll be posting content more regularly. Also, there's a bunch of links in the description. If you guys want to sign up to those, you guys will get free stocks. And that is everything for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.